According to the latest multidimensional poverty index, which state has been identified as the poorest in India? Correct option is C. Bihar. Who was appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of IGNOU in July? Correct option is A. Professor Uma Kanjilal. Who was the founder of the Kamwa dynasty? Right option is B. Vasudev Kamwa. Where was the third United Nations Conference on Landlocked Developing Countries held from 5 to 8 August? Correct option is B. Awaja. How many chambers are there in the hearts of birds and mammals? Correct option is C. 4 chambers. Which HTTP response code indicates that the requested resource has been permanently moved to a new URL? Right option is C. 301 moved permanently. According to the Planning Commission, into how many agroclimatic zones has India been divided? Right option is D. 15. Where was the first state-of-the-art animal stem cell biobank and laboratory inaugurated? Correct option is B. Hyderabad. Where did the Indian Army recently conduct the high-altitude technical exercise named Divya Drishti in July? Correct option is A. East Sikkim. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the Grand Cross of the Order of Makarios III from which country in June? Correct option is C. Cyprus. When is International Tiger Day observed every year? Correct option is D. On 29 July. In which country is the Inuvik port located? Right option is D. Canada. When was the first session of the Rajya Sabha held? Right option is C. On 13th May 1952. Which article of the Indian Constitution states it is a fundamental duty to cherish the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom? Correct option is B. Article 51A, B. Who commissioned the construction of the Hawa Mahal in Jaipur? Correct option is A. Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides citizenship provisions for people of Indian origin residing outside India? Correct option is C. Article 8. Which of the following leaders was associated with the extremist wing of the Indian National Congress? Correct option is D. All of the above: Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Bipin Chandra Pal. On the banks of which rivers are the 4 Kumbh Melas held in India? Correct option is A. Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, and Shipra River. What is the term for the process in which the concentration of a substance, such as a pesticide, increases in organisms at each successive trophic level of a food chain? Right option is C. Biomagnification. In the context of the 1857 revolt, which rule was introduced by the British in 1856? Right option is D. Other rules against religious customs and beards. Which Congress sessions were presided over by Rash Bihari Ghosh? Correct option is A. Surat 1907 and Madras 1908. Which of the following countries does not share a land boundary with India? Correct option is B. Tajikistan. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance? Correct option is C. Lord Wellesley. Which of the following is a Gandhian principle in the directive principles of state policy? Correct option is B. Gram Panchayat. The Northwest Passage, which leads to the Western Arctic, is mainly located in which country? Correct option is A. Canada. Which 2 organizations jointly established the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change in 1988? Right option is C. WMO and UNEP. In Microsoft Office 2019, which option is used to start a slideshow from a specific slide? Correct option is D. Play from current slide. The relaxation phase of the cardiac cycle, during which the heart chambers fill with blood, is known as. Correct option is C. Diastole. Which entity released the free AI guideline for the financial sector? Correct option is C. Reserve Bank of India. In Excel, if you have three variables x, y, z, and you want to plot x versus y while using z as a flag variable, which chart type should be used? Correct option is A. Scatter chart or bubble chart. Which type of energy is the Government of India promoting for electricity generation? Right option is B. Renewable energy. Which of the following is a Chinese initiative that connects countries globally through infrastructure and economic development, creating a network of land and sea routes? Correct option is D. The Belt and Road Initiative. According to the Zoological Survey of India, which is the largest bovine animal in India? Correct option is B. Gaur or Indian bison. Which of the following observations indicates that a gas is being produced when calcium carbonate is mixed with hydrochloric acid? Correct option is C. Vigorous bubbling and fizzing occur. From which region did the Scythians originate? Correct option is C. Central Asia. What is the full form of the SGSY scheme? Correct option is A. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. If a 24 kilograms object is moved horizontally from one place to another, what is the work done by the gravitational force? Correct option is C. 0 joules. Who classified the world's climate groups on the basis of temperature and precipitation? Correct option is A. Vladimir Koppen. Which of the following statutory bodies was established in India during the Green Revolution? Correct option is C. Both A and B. Agricultural Produce Market Committee and Food Corporation of India.